hangs heavy over the still water of the marsh. It clings to the tall reeds like a ghostly shroud. The air is cool and damp, filled with the earthy scent of wet soil and decaying leaves. Not a ripple disturbs the mirror-like surface of the pools. This ancient wetland is waking up. Soon its hidden inhabitants will stir. The silence is profound, a quiet anticipation before the day truly begins. It is a world untouched, primal. The first sounds begin to break the stillness. A chorus of unseen frogs starts its morning song. Their croaks are a rhythmic pulse in the quiet. Insects buzz faintly, their tiny wings a soft hum. A lone bird calls out, its cry echoing across the water. The light strengthens, slowly pushing back the shadows. It reveals the intricate network of channels and islands. Lush green vegetation thrives here, a vibrant contrast to the dark water. This is a place of incredible biodiversity. Life, in countless forms, is hidden just beneath the surface, waiting for the sun's warmth to truly begin. The marsh holds many secrets. It is a complex ecosystem, finely balanced. Every creature, big or small, plays its part. The water itself is dark, rich with nutrients. It supports a vast array of life, from tiny microorganisms to the giants that rule these waterways. Fallen logs lie half-submerged, providing basking spots and hiding places. The tangled roots of mangrove trees grip the soft mud, creating a labyrinthine underwater world. This environment has remained largely unchanged for thousands of years. It is a living testament to the enduring power of nature. Here, in this primeval theatre, a special performance is about to unfold. The main actors are creatures of immense power and ancient lineage. They are the crocodiles, masters of this watery domain. For now they are mostly unseen, perhaps resting after a night's hunt, or maybe they are simply waiting, conserving their energy. The sun's rays are beginning to warm the muddy banks. This warmth is an invitation. It signals that the time for activity is approaching. The stage is perfectly set for a display of surprising grace and playful interaction. From the murky depths, a colossal form begins to stir. This is Old Man Kenj, a veteran of countless seasons. His hide is a mosaic of dark greens and muddy browns. It is scarred and weathered, telling tales of past encounters. Each scale is like a piece of ancient armor, thick and tough. He is immense, nearly 5 meters from snout to tail, his eyes like polished amber slowly open. They survey his kingdom with a calm, unblinking gaze. He has seen many sunrises like this one. He is a true monarch of the marsh. Kenj moves with a deliberate, almost ponderous slowness. His powerful legs, though short, propel his bulk with surprising ease. He pushes himself from the soft mud where he rested. The mud makes a soft, squelching sound. He glides into the slightly deeper water of a familiar channel. His long, muscular tail sways gently from side to side. This movement is his primary means of propulsion in the water. It is a display of controlled strength. He is not hunting now. He is simply enjoying the cool water and the morning sun. As he moves, the water barely ripples around his immense body. He is a master of stealth. Even when not trying to be, his passage is almost silent, a ghost in the dark water. Sunlight dapples his broad back through the overhanging leaves. He finds a suitable spot near a sun-drenched bank. Here he can bask and absorb the warmth he needs. His ancient instincts guide his every action. He knows this marsh intimately. Every current, every hidden snag, every prime basking location is familiar to him. This is his ancestral home. Suddenly, a smaller, more agile crocodile appears. This is Zola, a younger female, perhaps half Kenj's size. Her scales are a lighter olive green, smoother and less scarred. She moves with a quicker, more energetic rhythm. She has spotted Kenj from afar. A playful glint seems to appear in her bright, intelligent eyes. She approaches him not with caution as a rival might. Instead, she swims with a curious and almost mischievous air. The quiet solitude of Kenj's morning is about to be interrupted. The stage is set for interaction. It is a clear invitation to play. It is a surprisingly tender gesture for such a formidable predator. Kenj, initially still, slowly turns his great head. His amber eyes focus on the younger crocodile. For a moment, the marsh seems to hold its breath. Will the old giant accept this playful advance, or will he assert his dominance with a gruff warning? A low rumble emanates from Kenji's chest, a sound more felt than heard. Then, with surprising agility for his size, he dips his head. He opens his mighty jaws in a mock snap, deliberately missing Zola. It is a classic crocodile play gesture. Zola responds in kind, swerving away with a flick of her tail. She then circles back, her movements fluid and graceful. They begin a slow, circling dance in the shallow water. Their powerful tails create gentle eddies and swirls on the surface. The water reflects their sinuous forms. This is a dance of ancient power. Their interaction is a fascinating blend of raw strength and delicate control. They push and nudge, their massive bodies brushing against each other. Sometimes one will submerge only to reappear suddenly beside the other. Splashes erupt as they engage, the sound echoing softly across the marsh. Yet there is no real bite, no true intent to harm. It is a carefully choreographed ballet. Their movements, while appearing combative, are restrained. They are testing each other's strength, but also reinforcing social bonds. This playful behavior is crucial for their development. Soon a third, even smaller crocodile, barely more than a juvenile, joins the scene. We can call him Little Snap. He's bold and eager, darting in and out of the older crocodile's game. He tries to mimic their mock snaps, his tiny jaws clicking harmlessly. Kenj and Zola tolerate his youthful exuberance. They even seem to encourage his participation. The water becomes more churned as the three of them engage. The sun climbs higher, casting a golden light on this unexpected spectacle of reptilian revelry. Their powerful bodies cleave through the water with astonishing speed. One moment they are gliding smoothly, the next they erupt in a flurry of motion. Little Snap, full of youthful vigor, tries to keep up. He darts between the larger crocodiles, a tiny shadow in their impressive wake. Their joy is almost palpable. The surrounding environment seems to react to their boisterous dance. Reeds sway as if in applause when disturbed by their wakes. Mud from the bottom of the shallow areas clouds the water temporarily. This makes their forms appear and disappear like phantoms. Small fish, startled by the commotion, scatter into denser vegetation. Even the birds perched nearby seem to watch with curiosity. The sounds are different now, too. Not just splashes, but soft grunts and hisses. These are the vocalizations of crocodile communication, a language of play. Their movements are a testament to their perfect adaptation to this aquatic world. The thrust of a muscular tail propels them forward with incredible force. Their webbed feet act as rudders, allowing for sharp turns and precise maneuvers. Even their mock dominance displays, like head-slapping the water, are executed with a certain elegance. They rise partially from the water, then bring their heads down with a resounding smack. It is a display of power, yes, but here it is part of the game, a joyful expression of their inherent nature. As the sun reaches its zenith, their playful ballet begins to wind down. The energy, though immense, is not limitless. They move towards the sun-warmed banks one by one. They seek out comfortable spots to bask and digest the morning's excitement. This scene, so full of life and unexpected camaraderie, offers a profound insight. These ancient predators, often seen only as solitary hunters, possess a complex social life. Their playful interactions reveal a hidden dimension of joy and connection. The marsh returns to a quieter rhythm, forever marked by the crocodile's beautiful wild dance.